Hey guys, sorry if I haven't been posting in a while. Anyways, I am. So today I am going to be doing a slime collection. So if you hear noise in the background, my sister is doing a video as well. Her channel will be in the description down below. So yeah. Let's get on with the video. So the first slime we have is, where is it? This slime right here. They're in bags. So I'm gonna put you guys down. Like you can see the slime. Anyway. Oh my gosh. I'll be back when the slime is out of the bag.
And it goes with this one.
So I finally got it out of the package. So here it is.
So this is a foam.
Sorry if you guys can't hear me, but it's fine, you know? So here's the slime. It's a green slime and it's called Green Nature.
I'm sorry if there's a lot of background.
I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to show you guys. Move on to the next slime.
So I finally got it out of the package. And it's another foam. We love making foam slimes. And if you want to know what foam we use, this stuff is actually foam beads. Now it's packager, but when you do this, it becomes foam. This is
so I'm just going to show you now. I ain't going to take them out of the bag. And that purple slime is a foam. We have a lot of foam slimes. So here's another foam. It's pink. Here's foam slimes. And this is actually foam, and it's packager, but it's actually. So this is that slime. We got one of my sister's slime, which is right here.
Lastly, we have this. This is chewed up bubble yum.
We have this.
This is watermelon.
I just made the loop up. Anyway, this is foam. Yeah, it's foam.
This is a different purple slime. We have two. I don't know the name of this one, but this one actually smells like grape Kool-Aid. So I might name it that.
Is a red slime. It's foam.
Very clicky and glossy, as you can see, it's shining.
This is the purple slime that I showed you, and it is a foam.
This is white, and it's very.
This is scented like actually grape. Is actually grape flavored. It's not flavored. It's scented grape.
There's a green slime. There's this tealish navy blue.
This one that my sister made right here.
And then there's this ginormous bag slime. And this ginormous green slime.
We have this teal-like slime. We have this green
slime. I love nature, but anyways.
We have this green slime.
This is my sister. Yeah. And I have Christmas lights.
We have this green slime. 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 And we have this white, white grayish slime. This teal color. It's not really teal, but it's really teal.
We have these three slimes. So yeah,
we have this red slime.
That was my slime collection.
Pink to you guys, but it's actually red.
Because I enjoyed
a blue slime,
and if you did enjoy it,
a purple
give it a huge
slime,
leave me a comment down below letting me know if you like this
a
setup.
green slime,
share it with your
tealish
friends, tell them to
slime.
subscribe, and you see that big red
this
button down
teal
there?
slime.
That's the subscribe button. give it a click and see what
This
it does.
purple slime I already
I'll
showed
turn on my post
you.
notification. I'll see you guys next time.
This thing bobber.
Bruh.
This like really green slime. I don't know why. I have a lot of green slimes. I don't know why. We have this red slime, which is another foam. Most of the slimes I showed you is technically foam.
Should I do a recipe on these? Like do a tutorial?
And last but not least, we have this green like slime. All the slimes are really amazing. I really love them. I had a piece of slime on me. But anyways, make sure to go subscribe to my sister, which will be linked in the description. And if you see that big red rectangle, click it and you'll be subscribed. And don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, or you can give it a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. I won't be mad or anything. I just want my YouTube channel to grow so people can subscribe, dislike, and like. I mostly want people to subscribe and like, and go subscribe to my sister. And yeah, that's it for this video. Bye!